We're currently developing our biggest project yet.
What's he doing?
A fully movie-accurate RC built at screen-accurate scale, which is even bigger than the Disney Signature Collection version.
He's at it again!
And to help us bring this project to life, we're launching an exclusive Prototype PAL Patreon giveaway. From now until the end of June, the first 100 of our Prototype PAL supporters will receive a limited edition RC concept sketch poster featuring the artwork from our early design phase of the project. There are only going to be 100 of these posters made, and once they're gone, they're gone. We're also shipping worldwide, so no matter where you are, you can be a part of it.
You did it!
If you want to be one of the exclusive 100 people to get these exclusive posters, now is the time to join.